Hello guys, welcome to our channel CAD Solution. Today we will learn about Creo path modeling. Exercise number 3. Let's get started. Go to new, select part, solid, name the exercise or name the part. I'll add it here EX underscore 03. You can use default template here. Click OK. So I'll start with the base rectangle. This is 98 by 42 mm with the height of 20 mm. My planes are height now. I turn on my planes, select top plane, click extrude, go to sketch view and sketch one rectangle, center rectangle. I'll simply dimension it as per the drawing. 42 by 98 mm, fit to plane, click OK, give a height of 20 mm. Okay, our base is clear now. Now the center feature from the top of that base, it has a height of 21 mm and from there 21 mm of radius, means total height will be 42 mm. Go to the part. I'll extrude one rectangle here, sketch view, center rectangle. I need thickness of that rectangle 14 mm, 14 mm, and I need a height of 42 mm, 42 mm. So this is the radius of 21 mm. So select round, select this corner, press Ctrl, select this corner. This is 21. Else you can try another option. Go to round, select the face, select opposite face and the middle one. That's it. No need to input the radius. It will automatically take accordingly. So now I need to create this center hole of 20 mm diameter. So what I'll do is I'll create an axis first. For axis, I'll reference of this diameter. Click OK. Select hole, axis, face, and diameter 20 mm. Length will be throughout. Click OK. Again, I need a pocket at base 6 mm, and that is of throughout. So what I'll do is I'll select this bottom surface, go to extrude, sketch view, again take a center rectangle. So I need the dimensions for this rectangle now. So 14 mm from both sides, 14 mm from this side, and 14 mm from this side. That is the constraint. So click OK. And here I'm not gonna add material. I need to remove material from here. So what I'll do is I'll mention 6 mm and I'll reverse the direction. That's it. Our pocket is straight now. Now these two small holes of radius of 12 mm. So the dimensions for from this end it is 24 mm inside, and from this edge it is 21 mm inside. So what I'll do is I'll take planes here and then create axis and then hole. It will be a simple instead of giving the references for the hole. So 20, 24 from this face and 21 from this face. So I'll create a plane, dimensions 24 mm from here. Again another plane, I'll select reference to this plane, and I need inside 21 mm. Click OK. Now I want access, so select one plane, control another plane, and select access. So your access is now ready. So go to whole command, select this axis, select this piece, diameter 20 mm, and it will be off throughout. Okay. Same hole I need this side. So what I'll do is select the hole, click on mirror command, select plane, click OK. That's it. And now I need the radius for this edge and this edge here of radius 5. So go to round, select this edge, select this edge, control, select this edge. So it is by default taking 21, as I have previously mentioned 21 mm. So I need 5 mm only, not 21. So I'll select 5. Now here is also one radius available that will be of 5. It is not mentioned, so we will consider 5 only. So go to part, and if you want to add it here, then you can just edit this radius, go here and just press control, add this edge and this edge as well. So this will be added in one feature, or else you can create it separately using set option. Here sets option also available. You can do like let me show you. I'll remove this. Both is now removed. So I'll create another set. Select this edge. Select this edge. From here you can change the radius now for this 2 and this 2. Separate radius will be applicable, but I need to keep it same. So our model is created now. If you want to calculate the weight of part, then go to file, prepare, model properties, and first set units. So I am clicking change. I need millimeter, kilogram, and second. I need weight in kilograms. So I'll just set these units. Click on set. Then we will get the two options here. Convert dimensions. For example, 1 inches become 25.4 mm. Else, interpret the dimensions. 1 inch becomes 1 mm. So I want this option. 1 inch becomes 1 mm. So click OK. So now our dimensions are now set. Close. If you want to assign material, then your material density will be automatically taken from the registered materials. If you want to input your density manually, then there is no need to define material. So as of now, I'm assigning the material. Click on change. Go to legacy material or standard, whatever you want. I need ferrous materials. Various materials are available. I'll select steel cast. Just double click on it. That's it. And click OK. So now go to analysis, mass properties. Now see the density of the material is automatically added here. Just click preview. And here you can find the volume of the material, surface area, density of the material, which is already filled here. It is in kg per mm cube. And then mass of that part, 6.19 e raised to minus 1. It means our weight is almost around 600 grams. And if the material is not assigned, then I'll also show you that same. I'll change the material from here. Click unassign. Okay, the material is unassigned now. Go to mass properties. So here we have option to edit this mass property. So suppose I'm changing it to 7.85. Preview. This is our weight. Almost same. We have changed little bit. So this is how you can calculate your weight. If you want to download the software or need more drawings for the practice, join our Telegram channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.